Now, nobody knows the history of human error better than the construction sector, the birthplace of the saying, measure twice, cut once. Hand sketches, hand-cut templates, tape measurements, plumb-bobs, and other manual tools are prone to errors, especially when careful mathematical calculations are required. With such high demand for materials, limited availability, and high production costs, managing waste has become crucial. This means finding alternatives to the analog measurement methods. Accurate measurements save time, effort, and money, while also helping to ensure health and safety standards are being met. Digital solutions are quick, precise, and designed with you in mind, turning the hours or even days you spend measuring into a task that can be completed in minutes. One thing to keep in mind is that some more advanced tools like 3D models and mapping may require additional training or specific skills to use them effectively, and have some potentially expensive initial costs. In saying this, if used effectively, these tools offer huge potential savings in the long run. Foolproof measurement tools that are unbeatable when it comes to accurate measurements include laser levelers, digital callipers, laser measuring tapes, and rangefinders. These systems read out data on LED screens, providing precision and reducing the risks involved with manual data retrieval on a ladder or scaffolding. Another benefit to digital solutions is platform integration. Having the data recorded and safely stored on a cloud-based platform means you can access this information from any internet-connected device. There are also software options that combine multiple scan data and create 3D models, so you can then utilize AR and VR technology to better plan. Digitizers are handheld probes that touch the surface of an object or structure to create a sort of connect the dots map, which is referred to as a point cloud. Both digitizers and laser scanners are generally small and easily ported from site to site. They still have room for human error due to the nature of lasers, but allow for more specificity as compared to laser scanners. They boast smaller file sizes, but are slightly slower and difficult for objects that are out of easy reach. The point cloud scans can then be turned into digital twins, which are virtual clones of your building at any point before or after construction. Digital twins allow points of interest to be tagged with other files, such as media, videos, hazard warnings, and reminders, as a form of AR, or augmented reality. This means you can take remote virtual viewings simply by using a web browser. This can be beneficial to check progress, identify planning errors, confirm design, and fit out plans and update clients. Digital tool adoption allows surveyors, builders, and other workers to save time, improve their accuracy, and minimize material wastage, as well as plan and implement design changes more easily. It can seem like a big financial commitment at first, as digital measuring tools often represent a substantial initial cost, with certain tools showing a huge cost increase compared to their analog counterparts. It's helpful to look at the big picture costs, with average industrial scanners costing anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000. This should be weighed up against the frequency and cost of outsourcing or hiring for your scanning needs. However, long-term gains are sown by planting these digital seeds, with a significant increase in project execution efficiency by using digital measuring tools. So, do your research and find out what areas of your process could be streamlined by digital adoption. Some vendors to explore include Wireframe, Faro, PlanMate, Bunnings, and Miter 10. To learn more about what's happening in the industry today, check out our Construction Real World Stories.